2 credit cards. One there, and money. Can you guys see that? How adorable that is. And this was a gift of appreciation, and I do appreciate it because they didn't know it was my birthday, and they gave me this as a gift, and it is perfect for Barbie. And so now let's open this. And this is the invoice. Yep. Okay. So they always send their little purses, handbags, and these little boxes. And these were on sale. And this is the first one. Oh my goodness, can you guys see the detailing on the, oh my goodness, look at the little pom-pom. Oh my, and it says Coach, and it has the cute little zipper. Oh my goodness, can you guys see this? Look at this. Let me be gentle. Oh my goodness. What? It opens up. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Dolls Designs by SQ. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Yes. Okay, let's go to our next one and last one. Oh my goodness. Yes. Look at this. You guys see this? Full functioning. Oh my. Oh my. Look. Their workmanship is incredible. Look. Look at that. And it, oh my goodness, it says Coach. Do you guys see that little, can you guys see this? You see the little, oh my God, I don't know if you guys can see it. It says Coach. Oh my. Where did it go? Oh, it's in there. Oh my, does this one have it? Oh, well, yeah, it has it there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love them. I love them. Oh wait, it doesn't go like that. It's like this. wave it. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I love it. Anyway, so this is my birthday present from me to me. And look at that. I don't know if people still use Coach, but I got Coach. My doll has Coach. And it doesn't matter if it's out of style or not. I love it. I love it. Okay. So we're gonna put this away. And I am so grateful that you guys stopped by and spent some time with me while I opened up my gifts from me to me for my birthday. That was June 17th. And I hope all of you have a blessed day and come back and see me